Hello, welcome to Brenna's Bargains. We're going to cover Tuesday, August 30th. We're going to have a new markdown of summer barbecue for 90% off. So, you will see these scattered throughout the store. They'll be in the aisles in front of the stores, maybe even on end caps. So just look away. Remember to scan. If it's $2, it's going to be 20 cents. If it's $1, it's going to be 10 cents. So these are going to be great deals. So in this video, I have all 30 of the markdowns and we'll have visuals with that. So just remember, if it's $1, it'll be 10 cents. And if it's $2, it's 20 cents. Okay, the first one we have up is a Jolly Rancher and it'll be 10 count. Second one we have is Italian Ice Freezer Pop, 6 count. Next up we have Warheads Extreme Sour, 10 count. Next up we have Italian Ice Berries, 6 count. Okay, next up we have Kool-Aid Freeze Pops, and it'll be 20 count. Next up we have the Sun Kiss Smoothie, 10 count. Next up we have the Powerade, 16 count. Next up we have the Skittles Freeze Pops, 20 count. We have the Clover Valley Tomato Ketchup, 38 ounce. We have the Water Hint Watermelon, 16 ounce. We have Water Pineapple, 16 ounce. We have the Blackberry 16 ounce from Hint. Then we have the Spire Raspberry Energy Drink, the Spire Mango Energy Drink, 12 ounce. We have the Slush Puppy Freezer Pouch Raspberry 6 ounce. We have the Strawberry Freezer Pouch 6 ounce. Now we have the Icy Freezer Pouch for 6 ounce Fruit Punch. And we have the Raspberry 6 ounce. And we have the Cherry 6 ounce. Now we have more waters again. So this is Princess Water 16.9 ounce. And then we have the Avenger 16.9 ounce spring water. Next up we have an espresso. So we have a Black Rifle Espresso 11 ounce and a mocha. Okay, we're going to the Zero, and the Zero we have first up is Cherry 10 pack. And then the next up we have the Glacier Freeze Sticks. Now we're going into Propel, and the Propel is the Kiwi Strawberry Powder 10 pack and the Berry Powder 10 pack. Next up we have some more water, Icelandic, and it is bottled water. Last we have on the list is the Tom K Cups. So, and unfortunately we do not have a penny list this week. So the Air Care has still stayed at 25% off for this week, and here are the SKUs for that. And I have a couple visuals of the Strawberry Candle and the Lilac Glade. So that's all I have for you starting on Tuesday, August 30th. So happy shopping. We'll see you next time. Have a good day. God bless. Give it a thumbs up on the way out, and we'll see you next time. Bye.